Hello and welcome to History 202, American History 2. My name is Professor Barbara Cook and I will be your instructor for the semester. I look forward to working with you all throughout the semester, so please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I am creating this video so that it will help you navigate our course on Blackboard. I'm going to show you where everything is so that you know how to go to read the textbook, the review quizzes that's going to be due, and my information. The first thing I want you to do beyond watching this video is go to the syllabus link. While you're there, I want you to download the syllabus, read over it. It will answer the majority of your questions that you may have. If you look at the syllabus and you still don't know the answer to your question, please email me. The best way to get a hold of me is through my email at bcook@gadsdenstate.edu. That is the best way to get a hold of me. Also, when you are reaching out to me, please tell me what course that you are in with me. For example, History 102, History 202, History 112. You need to let me know exactly what course it is so that I can better assist you in a much more quicker time. Once you have reviewed the syllabus, the very first thing you is click on attendance verification. For financial aid, VA, scholarship purposes, because this is an online class, we need to confirm that you are participating in this course to receive those benefits. So you do need to go to attendance verification, click on that, and complete that. It's just a very simple question. Tell me what your major is, and I'm also going to give you points for doing it. So please do that as soon as possible because it does have a due date. That you do need to do this by. Now, I do apologize for the confusion of the textbook that was put up incorrectly. I do realize that now that there is a free textbook source, and I have given you the information on how to access that. And what I need you to do is all of the course material that I will grade you on will be in the course materials. Now I'm going to lay it out chapter by chapter. We are going to begin with chapter 18. And if you click on the chapter, I have given you a link to the textbook where you can read over the textbook. I've given you a link to the key terms, and there will also be a link to the quiz, the review quiz. Now, please make sure that you are completing these on time. I am still working on each course, so make sure that you come back often to see exactly where we are. Make sure that you are completing the assignments on their due date. Now, as you can see, if you click on the chapter link, it's going to take you to that chapter online so that you can read over the chapter. I highly recommend that you absolutely read everything in that chapter. There are some great resources here to the side of each chapter. You've got a key terms, you've got a summary, you've got review questions. Now, I will not grade you on those review questions, but I do recommend that you do them so that you do better understand the material. Review the critical thinking questions as well to help you better understand the material so that when you click on the review quiz in Blackboard, you are prepared to answer those questions. Again, like I said, they will be in each one of the chapters, links and course materials. You'll have like I said, you will have access to a link to the chapter online. I may put some more links up here. I'm not sure yet. But then at the bottom of this, you will see review quiz. That review quiz is the only thing I will be grading on for each chapter, and that will be in Blackboard. And when you are ready, when you've taken the exam, or not the exam, the quiz, you can go to My Grades, and it will tell you how well you've done on that quiz. Now, I do have due dates posted not only in the syllabus and on each one of the assignments, but you can go here and it will tell you when the due dates are for each one of these chapters. Review quizzes. Again, I'm only grading you on the review quiz, not the sources that are online. I do have my instructor information up here. Again, I'm Professor Cook, Barbara Cook. There's my email if you need to get a hold of me. I usually answer within 24 to 48 hours. If you have a question on the weekend, I may not get back to you until the following Monday. So, but please know that I will return your email as soon as I can. You can also leave messages through the messaging link. And then again, you can see your grades. I look forward to working with you this semester. Please reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever, and I will help. I will try to work with you as best I can. All right, good luck and have a wonderful semester.